Good afternoon, everyone. The first thing I need to tell you is don't go for sleep. It's afternoon, right? I hope you had a good meal and disabling the video for sleep. Don't do that. Okay? Okay, in the previous class, everybody mute yourself. Yeah. In the previous class, Rishit, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, mute yourself. Tanmay, Tejasvi, Dhyan, enable your video. Every time I won't tell. It has to be enabled. At any cost, it has to be enabled. Yeah. In the previous class, we discussed, we spoke, we had interaction about string handling, right? See, at the end, somebody was asking, sir, which chapter is that? Which chapter is that? I was able to hear, but I couldn't answer that. Say it is a topic, it's not a chapter. It is a topic, comes under library classes. Okay? To make you familiar in strings, I took the topic. Today, I am going to start library classes chapter. In library class chapter, there are so many kinds, okay? First, we'll take up one program, one topic, and learn accordingly. At the end of another 1 or 2 months, there will be 4 topics. These 4 topics you have to learn properly. I'll tell you which are the 4 topics, very, very important. One is library class. Okay, one is library class. Second one is array. Third one is decision making statement. And fourth one is iteration through loops. These are the 4 chapters you need to concentrate more. And one more chapter is there called constructor and then functions. Okay, but in section B, important topic is these 4 chapters. If you understand these 4 chapters, then it's done. Syllabus is completed. Next year, you will be hero in the school. You will teach me how to do program. For that, you need to learn properly these 4 chapters. So first, I'm taking up the library classes. Okay. Now I'm going to share the PPT. Okay. Dia Kutanda, enable your video. I'll be watching you, Dia. No disabling the video. Tanmay.
Yes,
Shreya. Keep your
sir, can
camera.
I bring my phone charger?
Yeah, bring it. And Nawang, backside, it's a window, huh?
Yes, sir.
Can you close? Some glare is coming on.
Yes, sir. I'll do that.
Yeah. Fine. Now I'm going to share the screen. Listen carefully. Wherever you find doubts or not able to understand, okay, unmute yourself and speak. Apart from that, don't mute yourself. Don't disable mute yourself, but don't disable the video. Fine? Yeah, let us start the class. Be attentive. Okay. Rishit, what can you see now on the screen?
Library class, session 1
By
Manjunath Naik R.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So today in program section, I'm going to take one important concept, that is library classes. In that 115 marks program today, I'm going to explain you. Once it is familiarized for you, there are so many types of programs. I'll explain one by one. Okay, just we have started the journey. Slowly we will move forward. Okay, now Rishit, when you read the question.
So 1, sir.
Yeah.
Design a class railway ticket with the following description. Instance, variable, data members. String name to store the name of the customer. String coach to store the type of coach customer wants to travel. Long
Mob num.
mob to store customer's mobile number. Int amount to store basic amount of ticket. Int total amount to store amount to be paid after updating.
So why I made you to read is, listen carefully all the students. It is very, very important, okay, to make you understand the question. You have to understand the question in section B. And one thing I'll repeat is, no question will repeat in the ICSE board exam. Topic will be same, concept will be same, okay, question will be changed. So you have to understand. Today I have taken a topic on railway ticket. Okay, in this railway ticket, what all things you have to do? Okay, what all things you have to do? You have to understand. In this, what you have to do is you have to create a string name for customer and string coach for coach of customers. Okay, coach for customer wants to travel. Long mobile number. You have to take the mobile number of the customer and the amount of the ticket. Okay, and total amount. Here you should understand the data type string name. Here string is a data type because it's an alphabet. Customer name will be in alphabet, so we will take string, and coach also it is to SL like that, it will be there. And long mobile number means mobile number with the 10 digits, so we will take it as long. You can take it as double also, int also, but long has got more range of capacity. And then amount, int total amount. So in this program, you will be accepting the name of the customer, you will be accepting the coach of the customer who wants to travel, and mobile number you have to accept, and then total amount you have to display. Okay, these are the basic things you are going to do in this program. Is this question clear for you? Hopefully everybody have traveled in railways, right? When you travel, when you book a ticket, you have to give your this one customer name, your name, and in which bogie, in which coach you want to travel. AC or 3AC, 2AC, a sleeper, normal coach. There are so many kinds of coaches. So in which coach you want to travel, then you will enter your mobile number, then ticket, basic amount of ticket will be amounted, then total amount to be paid. These are the basic information. I'll go to the next slide. Now after that, method, what you have to do is you have to accept the information and update, means what you have to display the output. Accepting what all things you have to accept, what all things you have to accept. You have to accept name, coach, mobile number, and amount. So 4 kinds of exception is there. You have to accept 4 things: name, coach, mobile number, and amount. Update, void update is what? To update the amount as per the coach selected. See, different coaches will be available. Extra amount will be added in the amount as follows. So in every program, section B, first program, keep it in mind, in your annual exam, section B, first program will be library class. Last program will be array chapters. Okay, section B, first program will be from the library chapter. Last will be from the array chapter. Now there is some condition you need to follow. Okay, there is some condition. What is the condition? If you are going for first AC, then amount should be 700 rupees you need to pay. You are traveling in second AC, then 500 you have to pay. You are traveling in AC, third AC, that is 250. Sleeper, need not have to pay anything, just go and travel. This is a condition given by the ICSE board. This is one of the question appeared in the ICSE examination. Okay. You will have some idea after finishing this program. So how many exception, how many times you have to accept the information? Nawang? How many times you have to accept the information?
So do we have to accept it like 3 times?
4 times. Rishit Venu, is it right? 4 times?
Yes, sir. 4 times. Name, coach, mobile number, and amount.
Yes, exactly. Okay. And there are some conditions. First AC 700, second AC 500, third AC, third AC 250, and sleeper none. These are the conditions. Keep it in mind. These conditions you have to apply in the program. Till now we have not started the program. These conditions you have to apply. Okay. Now I'll enter in the program. Before entering the program, one more question is there. After doing that, display. How to display it? Display all the information, details of the customer, such as name, coach, total amount, and mobile number. Write a main method to create object of the class and call the above method. Means what? That what is that main method of the object? I'll tell you in the program. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to display name, coach, total number, total amount, and mobile number. Okay, now we have entered in the program section block 1. So import java.io.star. This is a package we are going to use in this program because here input is there, output is there. Input is there, output is there. Input is there, display is there. So you need to use iostream.h. Now import java io means iostream.h. Okay. Next one, class. You have to create the class of the program. Whenever you start, you have to create a class name. So the class name is railway ticket. Okay. Why we are using railway ticket? Because this question deals with the railway ticket. Okay. So we are giving the name as railway ticket. Here you should keep it in mind. One thing is here railway ticket. There should not be any space. When you give the class name, there should not be any space. For example, computer application. There is a space, but when you're giving it as a class name, don't give space. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, as per the question says, we have to accept the things. String name, we have to, so we will create the variable. String name, string coach, long mobile number, int amount, int total amount. These were the questions been focused in the previous slide. Okay. So to do that, you have to create a variable. Okay. So name is a variable, coach is a variable, mob number means mobile number is a variable, AMT is a variable, total amount is a variable, and the left side of that is a data type. This is the beginning of the program. Next, second block is to accept the information. Okay, second block is to accept the information. Public void accept throw IO exception. Okay. Input stream reader is equal to new input stream reader system.in. This is the default statement we are using. Why? Because this input stream reader in is equal to input stream reader system.in has got the connection with the package. The package is what? What is the package name, Prince? Unmute yourself and speak.
Public.io.star.
Yeah. Okay. IO is the package. Okay. For that, this is the syntax supports. Now what? System.out.print. In the output screen, name will print. Okay. After the name colon, one cursor will start blinking. Why that cursor will start blinking? Because we have written a condition, we have written a syntax, that is name is equal to br.readline. name is equal to br dot readline. You can see here, name is equal to br dot readline. So this syntax will help you to accept the name. Keep it in mind. Okay, name colon, it's in double quotes, it is a statement, no calculation will take place. After that, if you want to accept something, means the cursor has to blink. To blink the cursor, name dot br dot readline. Now name is accepted. Second one again, next after that you will press enter. Then again one statement will print on the output screen, that is coach. Again coach is equal to br dot readline. Again coach is equal to br dot readline. What happens? This syntax will help you to accept the information and coach is selected. Okay, there are first AC, second AC, third AC and sleeper. Okay, next one is system dot out dot println mobile number. So mobile number we have created, see here, we have created mobile numbers data type, mobile numbers data type is long. Okay, coach data type is string. We have created the variable, according to that we need to take. Now here what happens? Here mobile is called long dot parse long br dot readline. These are the default statement you need to learn properly. If you write this syntax, mobile number is accepted. Okay, again system dot out dot print amount. Amount will print and amount is equal to integer dot parse in br dot readline. Okay, this syntax will help you to accept the amount. Rishit Venu, look straight. Keep your phone down.
Sir, not my phone. I closed my textbook.
Okay, fine. Okay, so you understood the block 2 section?
Yes, sir.
See, in this section is completely to accept. There is no calculation, nothing, only accepting the information. To accept the information, this syntax is helping us. Okay, this syntax and this syntax is telling the package to support. So once the package is supporting, then the following syntax will accept the information. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll move to the next slide now. Now the next slide is all about the condition. Next slide is all about the condition. So in the question, we have seen the condition. Okay, first AC 700, second AC 500, third AC 250 and sleeper none. So we have to write the condition for that. So we have to write the syntax for that. So public static public void update. When we use update, start giving the condition properly. If here there are 3 conditions, so any condition can be taken. For example, Rishit Dvenu wants first AC and Prince wants second AC and Nawang wants third AC. Different conditions are there. Okay, so for each condition we have to give syntax. If coach is equals ignore case. Okay, see here dot equals ignore case. Dot equals ignore case. Here dot equals ignore case is a string method. In the previous class we learned trim, dot to uppercase, dot to lowercase, all those things. This also comes under that only. Equals ignore case means what? When you write the program, when you input something, uppercase and lowercase, if you write anything also, no problem. It will ignore the cases. Got it? It will ignore the cases. So first AC, okay. So total amount is equal to amount plus 700. Okay. Again, one condition over. Second condition is else if. Again, second condition else if coach dot equals ignore case. Again, second AC, total amount is equal to amount plus 500 charge for the coach. Okay. Again, else if coach dot equals ignore case, third AC, amount is 250. Here we are updating the information. In the first section we accepted the information. In the second section we are updating the information. Updating the information in the sense, first AC total amount plus 700, second AC total amount plus 500, third AC total amount plus 250, and whatever the case, uppercase or lowercase, you just ignore that. Okay, this is the block. Let me go to the next one. Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
This block is understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, here we have to add one more also, sir.
What?
Else if this thing sleeper.
Yeah, good question. If else if is there, no?
Yes, sir.
This is done. After that, whichever you enter, that is sleeper only. It is understood. So,
Okay, sir.
so we will not give anything because it's free, no?
Yes, sir.
So we are not writing any condition there. In case sleeper has got some money there, then we should write one syntax for sleeper also.
Okay, sir.
We don't have money for sleeper not to give the condition.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now next one. Now display. Now display. How to display? Public void display. Now we are going to display the information. Okay. System.out.println name plus name. Now you should understand why we use plus. Plus is going to invoke the syntax in the first block. See, I'll tell you plus name. I'll go back to the slide. Here, see here, name is there here. That plus name will invoke directly here. Plus coach will invoke directly here. Plus mobile number will invoke directly here. Amount directly here. Okay? Got it? When we use plus name means it will come and ask here, what was the name accepted? Please give me that name. I want to display that on the output screen like that. Okay? Again, coach. I told you whatever you write in the double quotes is a come on, answer.
The statement.
Is a statement. There will be no calculation at all. Coach plus coach will directly it will invoke in the first block. Again, total amount plus amount will again invoke in the beginning of the stage. Mobile number. Again, this plus will invoke directly where we have accepted the mobile number. Clear? So the first block was accepting, second block was updating, third block is display. Okay? Now, I told you I'll tell you in the program. Okay? In the question last, see, I'll go to the question. See, in the question, write a main method. Write a main method, okay, to create an object of the class. To create an object of the class. This you should carefully understand. Object of the class. What is the class name? Come on.
Railway ticket.
Railway ticket, sir.
Railway ticket is a class name? Sure? Rishit, is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can see here, railway ticket is the class name. Now I'm going to the last stage again. Public static void mentioning arguments through IO exception. Now, railway ticket is a class name. We are creating an object of that class. Keep it in mind. We are creating an object of that class. Class name is railway ticket. Now, once we create object, the keyword for creating an object is new. Wherever you find create an object of the class, this new keyword should be used. The new, that word NEW should be used. If you are using new word, Clear? Wherever you see this kind of line or this kind of syntax, means you are creating an object of the class. Okay? Now, once you create object of the class, you need not have to write railway ticket again and again, again and again. Railway ticket is nothing but OBJ. OBJ is nothing but railway ticket. Railway ticket is nothing but OBJ, and OBJ is nothing but railway ticket. Clear? So what happens? The first block was accept. So OBJ dot accept. Okay. Second one, again railway ticket is nothing but OBJ. We updated the information. Third one, we displayed the information. All are 3 blocks. All are 3 blocks. Okay. First block was accepted. Second block was updated. Third block to display the output. So this will be the end of the program. Why I have broke down this into block wise, you know, when you see a big program, you will find, oh my God, so much big program. It's difficult, I can't understand. But if you break that into pieces, you'll understand still more better. Clear? Are you with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only 2-3 of them are answering. Where are the others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this big program, this carries 15 marks. This carries 15 marks, and it's so easy to understand, and you can easily get 15 marks, complete 15 marks. Okay?
Yes, sir.
After that, see, I'll tell you one more hint of this. The thing is, after writing this program, ICSE board will expect one conclusion of the program. So in the question paper, it will be for 15 marks, but the program carries 13 marks. Now, for 2 marks, what they're asking? They're asking the
Result.
conclusion, not result, conclusion. Conclusion is what? What are the methods you used? Okay. Methods accept, update, and display is the method we use. Okay. Then what? In the display, what all things you accepted? Just 2-3 lines about the program. About the program, you need to write 2-3 lines. Once you write, that belongs 2 marks. The entire program belongs 13 marks. Total is 15 marks. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, if you see your name, accepted, Manjunath Naik. Coach, first AC. Mobile number, accepted. Amount, 900. This will be the output of the program. Now, this is output of the program. Now, you have 15 marks in your hand. Any doubts in this program, you can approach now itself, one by one.
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
has got any doubts, you
Sir.
can clarify now.
So for scoring all the 15 marks, sir, we have to by heart all the steps. That means all the 5 steps.
No by hearting, understanding the steps. Okay,
So the
don't by
method-
heart, because here the concept is about railway ticket. Assume that this year they asked about railway ticket. Next year they'll ask about motorbike. Next year they'll ask about resort. Concept, way of writing the concept is same. Okay, but the question will be different. What in mobile motorbike, what will happen? They will tell accept motorbike name. Okay, how much fuel you used? Okay, how much kilometer you are traveling? Okay, how much for that? How much fuel? How much money you paid? Okay, how much destination you reached? That concept is different. Railway ticket concept is different. Like that, I will explain at least 5 to 6 concepts of this library class. Once I explain at least 4 to 5 concepts in different way, you will understand still more better. But this is the this is 15 marks question. Any doubts now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Any
No, sir.
others? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. I'll stop sharing this. Now, I always do one thing. After the session, I'll ask for the feedback for 1 minute. So it's feedback back time. Okay. You have to share your feedbacks of this session and exit yourself. Time up, another 2-3 minutes left. So you have to give your feedback of this session and exit yourself. Start giving your feedbacks and exit yourself. It's time now.
Sir, in chat we should give.
Yeah, in chat only. I have sent no feedback time. Thank you so much, everybody, for patient listening. Hopefully my class was useful and understandable. Yes, Rishit Venu?
Yes, sir, it was nice.
Okay, thank you. Give me your feedback and exit yourself. Another 2-3 minutes left. Dia says it was easy and understandable. Don't give to praise somebody. Okay, give your genuine feedback. If you're not understood, also no problem. I will explain again and again. No issues. Good. This session was very easy and understood. Everything. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Anita. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Apurva. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Prince. Bye. Tejaswini.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Devi. Bye.
Bye.
Waiting for Rishit Venu's feedback. Thank you, Vivan Sagar. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rishit Venu. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Nawang, sir, I understood today's concept, and even thank you again, sir. You will explain this concept, but this concept was easy, sir. Thank you, Nawang. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, Shreya.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Devi and Dhyan. Give your feedback and exit yourself.
Sir, I have sent, sir.
Okay, send. Then bye. Take care.